Hi there, this is Paige with Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you another Christmas project for the challenge called hashtag CCAY Christmas Crafting All Year Long 2021. And I'm kind of focusing for a while on just some little treat packaging. My idea is to make some cute little treat packaging for my grandchildren so that after school, next year after school, they have a little special treat to come home to. And so I found a really cute idea on YouTube by Dawn Stamping Thoughts. She's calling them a mini candy bag, but as she was describing her project, she got me at mini moon pie. So this is what the little bag looks like, but it fits a mini moon pie, and my granddaughter absolutely loves these, so I was really excited to go ahead and make this project. Now you start out with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and Dawn explains in her video how to cut your paper so that you can get 4 bags from one 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And so I followed her directions, and then I just used some miscellaneous paper from my stash, and I think this collection also came with stickers, so I just pulled out 4 of the stickers to decorate the bags, and then I put some white kind of twill type ribbon, just tied it in a bow around the handle. So really fast and easy project. I like that you can get quite a few right away from one sheet of paper. And then the handles are just made with some circle dies, just layering 2 circle dies or even a circle punch. So there you go. It will hold all different kinds of things, but I'm mostly thrilled that it holds this little mini moon pie. It's the small things, people, that make me happy. So there you go. I'd like to thank you for joining me. As you are looking throughout YouTube, look for the hashtag CCAY 2021 to get some other ideas for your Christmas crafting. And now I'm off to create.